Hello there! Welcome back to another super update. In this video, I'll quickly walk you through a few improvements we've added to help you build cleaner and more flexible super sites. Super now supports Notion H4 headings, so if you're using the new H4 heading format in your Notion pages, it will now display properly on your super site. This helps keep your page structure more consistent, especially if you're building longer pages, guides, documentation, resource hubs, or any content that uses multiple heading levels. So now, from H1 to H4, your headings can display more naturally when your Notion page is published with Super. We've also added more control over password pages. When someone tries to access a password-protected page, they'll first see the password page where they need to enter the password. You can now choose to hide the navbar, sidebar, or footer on that password page. This is useful if you want the password screen to look cleaner and more focused before visitors get access to the protected content. Lastly, we've prepared several new gallery card styles for super sites. If you're using galleries for portfolios, resources, articles, directories, or visual sections, these styles can help your gallery views feel more polished. You can choose from different layouts depending on the look you want for your site. We've added the link to these gallery layouts in the description below. And that's it for this update. These are small improvements, but together they give you more control over how your super site looks and feels. Thanks again for building with Super. Until next time, stay super.